Welcome to a weekly warm up. So, you got derailed from your healthy lifestyle and are trying to figure out how to get back on track. Well, we know that those quick fix approaches, while they might initially last, they aren't sustainable. And that time isn't the problem because we make time for what matters to us. So, my question to you is, does your fitness and health really matter? If so, then I want you to listen up. Look, I've been there. I completely understand what it means to be living that healthy lifestyle only to get derailed from it. And I know how challenging it is to be able to, one, accept what happened, two, get aligned with the new athlete that you are today, and to take action, all the while holding yourself accountable. Now, for me, it wasn't until I created the Build Your Best You 5-step building block process that I was able to get back on track. And I know that you can too. That is why today I coach former athletes who were derailed from their healthy lifestyle rebuild their inner athlete. And I do this by helping them create and execute the Build Your Best You 5-step building block process, which is known today as the Building Blocks Blueprint Program. Now, I limit all of my one-to-one clients, but right now I have availability for 3 of you. That is, if you are able to get scheduled with me prior to March 5th. So if you're interested in seeing if the Building Blocks Blueprint Program is right for you, then what I want you to do is I want you to schedule a free consult with me and we'll figure it out. I've included in a link below for you to be able to schedule this free consult, and you'll also, in that conversation, learn about the 2 different discount options that are available right now. Well, there you have it. That is your weekly warm-up. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. Take care, have a terrific week, and as I always say, just take it one day, one meal, and one workout at a time. And of course, I'm going to ask you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I will see you in our next video.